How to convert SIM to eSIM. To convert your physical SIM to an eSIM on an iPhone, first ensure that your carrier supports eSIM and offers the option to convert your physical SIM. Then, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Cellular. Next, tap Add Cellular Plan under the Cellular Plan section. Your carrier will provide a QR code or activation details to set up the eSIM. If you have a QR code, use your iPhone's camera to scan it. Otherwise, select Enter Details manually and input the required information. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by your carrier to complete the setup. If you have multiple lines, you may be asked to choose a default line for calls, messages, and data. After completing the setup, restart your iPhone to finalize the activation. To verify that the eSIM is active, go to Settings, Cellular, where you should see your carrier's name listed under Cellular Plans. If you encounter any issues, contact your carrier for further assistance. Converting to eSIM can help free up your SIM slot, especially if you travel or use multiple phone numbers on the same device. If this guide was helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.